Hi, my name is Gillian Fox. I'm a curator for Hayward Gallery Touring based in London, and I work nationally. I'm also an academic.
Hi, so my name is Daniel Trivedy. I'm a multidisciplinary artist and I'm based in South Wales. What did I want to see? And I thought I wanted to see sort of something that sort of spoke to me, so it conjured up some sort of narrative, and maybe like it just spoke. I don't know, the materials or the paint or the qualities just kind of spoke to me. I think we definitely found that today.
Yeah, we've both gone for choices that don't sit naturally with our own medium-specific, preferences.
Yeah.
We've definitely gone like, oh, but this is really incredible objects, and we also were quite unified on a number of the works, which I thought was like quite telling. Like there was things that were like, I just keep coming back to it. There's all these different resonances within the works and within the exhibition, in fact, within the whole selection process. Yeah, I was bowled away. I'm so happy for the art scene in Swansea.
Absolutely.
It's amazing. I have to say, it was such a treat, and to see such a wealth of talent in South Wales, in Swansea, and it has been just a complete joy and a really, really hard task selecting from such incredible submissions to come down to the pieces that we've taken, and also you do a lot of like, oh, well, this is obviously my thing. So, I know the things that I like, but also to have my consciousness expanded by having Daniel next to me. It's been brilliant. I've really had a great time.
I think I was just surprised that, like, out of the huge amount of works that came in, that some really did just rise to the surface, and I was really pleased that, it kind of confirmed I know what I like, kind of thing. But as you said, it wasn't in line with my kind of expected choices or what I normally like, which is interesting.
And I think that has to be also spelled out that we some of it is about personal preference. There's things that I naturally sway towards because of I studied fine arts, and there's things that I really love getting into the bottom of, and I think that is something that that's part of the selection process. Is I think everybody who submitted were absolutely brilliant. Like, I don't think there was anything we said like, oh no, this isn't like a quality. There's nothing was about quality control. It was about just how the painting spoke to us on the day, or the object spoke to us. So I think on the whole, an incredible selection, wasn't it? And we really had a brilliant time deciding.
And I think it was also nice because it was that range from sort of poetic or the melancholy to some just really fun stuff. And so that was exciting as well.
No, totally. I mean, you can tell how hard it was for the final process of choosing the winner, because we have a number of highly commendeds, which I think we snuck in as a way of saying these are absolutely brilliant. If we could have 10 prizes, we probably would have awarded them quite easily. But it's really brilliant.
I was impressed that we were able to narrow it down to those. They were quite, like I said, on the
quite
same.
Quite in tune.
We're
in tune.
Definitely.
I think it's also the works that became first, second, and third were just they were elevated in a way that was just like, they've got something about them that you can't quite put your finger on, and I think that's what makes a really wonderful work of art. We'll go back to some theory. It's about the aura. The aura was there, nibbling away at us.
Yeah, that final selection, I just felt like they were really open. You didn't know, the narrative wasn't closed. There was first of all, there was like a feeling, and then each time you go back to it, I felt you get something a little bit different, and so that's what I really liked about those final selections.
So many readings, isn't it? So
brilliant. And again, we were agreed.
Yes, totally. That one, unanimous. It's rare in our game, but and I suppose, and a number of highly commended, which we're going to write little notes about. But it was fabulous. Thanks so much for having us.
Yeah, it's been a real pleasure to select. Absolutely privilege.
I'm a bit sad I didn't get to do this once. I was just like, can I come back in about 2 or 3 years' time? Maybe that's what I'm aiming for. Anyway. Thank you so much.
Thank you.